At times like this, enanka yepese yeti MPP for ne. On se mbra chema Wontumi case ehya ase no. Omosi o oral no enkonko si hwe. Chema Wontumi enya ne hwe. Na ende omo ni nehu se chema Wontumi nsem no eni ya yenyan. Baby edu no eya very 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 serious. Eno hunti MPP for one se wo mo kasa biom. Na chema Wontumi case ni yanhwe ya month we ya judgment ebeba. Senior case no ekono yanhwe ya month we ya judgment ebeba. Na chema Wontumi ankasa enra wokoko mountain witness box. Now reporter eba and say ye chema Wontumi cross examination. Ye kase cross examination and not say aban lawyer. Ebisa chema Wontumi nsem ewo court. Ema chema Wontumi eyi ano. Na ye say cross examination na aban lawyer eye no. At a point na very serious ama chema Wontumi or ye senanku osu. And this is not me. It is coming from an astute reporter, IFN Austin. Mami ready asema wadi to you. I will say, chema Wontumi mounted the witness box today, and cross-examination was done in the Samurai Boy case. At a point, cross-examination became so intensive, chema Wontumi appeared to be crying and asked for water. And you say chema Wontumi cross-examination is so intensive, and he say do baby now osu. And hunti or stress a man in you as to whether a nokware and as to whether asking a crocodile tears and as a real or whatever we don't know. But young konko with the court documents no. Near chema Wontumi in the witness statements. Now yen nsem no baby a echo. And now first time we have subscribing and click notification bell on so. Oya nisa latest news be about on Sabekan corporate logistica. A vehicle management company ewo Ghana ha. Na wobi biara unika a cargo vehicle from Sprinter to 40 feet no. Unim. So what the waka mo bi se nipa kro ni ntwi nye sales a ensem bebre. Mempese meboso. Fa waka no ma corporate logistica. Omo abepe professional driver de car na ma no. Omo ankasa ebe ye car ne ho maintenance. Omo abeye insurance o car ne ho. Omo ankasa ebe pay juma car ne beye. Na waka ne ye odia na yetua waka 2 times in a month. Umpe we na opedian. Intempa frɛ wo mo e wo 0598022033. So wonim oba bia onim senia ye twika o twika yi no pedwuma ya. One frɛ corporate logistica the same number 0598022033. Na me wi amasansa akae wo se wiase we mu secret ba ko e wo wiase we mu. And say take good care of your skin. Take good care maka ewo Bible mu Queen Esther ye boni din wo Bible mu no ya akwa nanso oba bedane wo hema na de ba ko a Esther ye ya ohene na ni gi ne ho eye de Esther pe bia yes Bible ne ka ye de ne kosie ne yesrasra ne ho ma ne ho ye nome ohene ni hu ne pe na ne ni age eye secret eye code a Bible no e de amayen de o waso no wontie for Unity's Ventures, Obema Wunku Pasra, anti-aging cream or hoa wosra wunam nina befe 059-800-3891. Only omo enchechun komo. Now, young consem ni mo so chema Wontumi in a witness statement. What is chema Wontumi saying? Or say, witness statement of Bernard Ntwibu filed on behalf of the first and third accused persons. I say, my name is Bernard Ntwibu. I am also widely known by the name Wontumi. I am 49 years old, a Ghanaian entrepreneur and a native of Kuntanase in Ashanti region of the Republic of Ghana. I am one of the 2 shareholders and one of the 2 directors of Akonta Mining Company Limited. The third accused person hereinafter referred to as A3 or the company. A3 was duly incorporated under the laws of Ghana on 5th November 2010, with mining and exploration as its principal objects and business activities. The company's registered principal place of business is Takwa in the Western region, though its active mining operations are conducted in the Samurai Boy area, also in the Western region. The chema Wontumi tremu time I was sure say war mining 2010 in the company no. but dodoɔ na no ɔmane ɛwɔ western region. And I think that this is even news for a lot of people because na young Crawford said Chema Wontumi asante memu nana otuni gold. Osi A3 is the holder of a valid and subsisting mining lease tendered in evidence in these proceedings as Exhibit G, issued on 23 July 2021 for a term of 10 years. The mining concession covered by Exhibit G is located in the Samraboy area of the Western region. A3 has at all material times conducted its mining operations in strict compliance with the terms and conditions of Exhibit G and the applicable provisions of Act 703 as amended. Into Chema Wontumi nsɛm a wɔka ɔsi ɔno no yɛma ne license sɛ onto gold no ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a wɔndi bɔne da deɛ mmaratrɛ ne sɛ wɔnyɛ ni nyinaa no ɔyɛ ɔsi I categorically, unequivocally and emphatically deny each and every one of the 6 counts of offenses charged against me as the first accused person and against A3 as the third accused person. I am not guilty of any of the offenses charged, and I call upon this honorable court to acquit and discharge both myself and A3 upon the conclusion of the defense case. Osi supi na waka sensem wa yede to ne suni ni na ye ntro ade a yese wa ye boni a yese wa ye enye nokware onye hwe ondi boni yese wa kwa kutu galam se wa say asase onye hwe. Osi specifically I deny that I, in my capacity as the owner and controller director of A3, did without first obtaining the prior written approval of the minister responsible for mines, permits Henry Okum and Michael Jedu Aisi to undertake a mining operation within A3's mining concession, as alleged in counts 1 and 3. Say yes, we no etwa asase ama nkrofo. Asase ono aban dia ama no etwa ama nkrofo se wo muntu galamsey e wo so no. O say wo sas de no nyeye. O say I further deny that I did purposely facilitate Henry Okum and Michael Jedu Aisi to, without a license granted by the minister, undertake a mining operation within A3's mining concession as alleged in counts 4 and 6. O say sometime in October 2024, one Henry Okum approached me and expressed his desire to undertake land reclamation works on portions of A3's mining concession at Samraboy that had previously been mined and were in a degraded state. Mr. Okum represented to me that he was experienced in land reclamation and that he wished to plant coconut seedlings on the mined out portion of the concession to restore the land. Inti nipa kura ba ene woye witness etia Chema Wontumi a wotre say indeed Chema Wontumi man asase se nanko wontu gold anontu galamsey wo so no. Chema Wontumi nsem a woka ne se sansem ni na ye ka na ye ntro. Osi 2024 no de owo ho. Ena papa bi a ye fe no Henry Okum e ba be hu no ka kire ne se oh me hu ne se asase bi a wote so no omo etu gold wo so asase na sei. Me no, me ye expert in land reclamation. Ye ka se land reclamation a se asase no ye sanso man aba back. Inti ma me contract na me ma asase no embra back. Na ade a me ye ne se me dua kube e wa asase ne so. Na me was star bia me ya me ma asase na eden aba back. Inti Chema Wontumi se wono de so de asase mo obi ye se wetwa asase am obi se wontu gold a wentwa asase am obi an se wontu galamsey. Na ode asase mo obi a wode manipa kro no se on ma asase ne nya den embra back. Nipa ko ne se obedua kubi e wasase ne so. I say I wish to state clearly and unambiguously that the permission I granted to Mr. Henry Okum was strictly and exclusively for the purpose of land reclamation, specifically the planting of coconut seedlings on the already mined and degraded portions of A3's concession. I did not, at any time, grant Mr. Okum permission to conduct, undertake, or carry out any mining operations or to extract any minerals from A3's concession. Or the assassin will be a senior macano, or the man say what or sinipa kunsu will be dia kube also. On farm will be a son to galamse. That is the permission. Our the many pacrono. Or say, the permission I granted was limited solely to reclamation activities on the mined out portions of the land. I did not enter into any written contract with Mr. Okum in respect of the reclamation arrangement. I acknowledge that the absence of a written agreement was an oversight on my part. However, the absence of a written contract does not, in law or in fact, transform a reclamation arrangement into a mining operation or an assignment on mineral rights. Ose woni papa no ansign agreement bia or the nano ne kan e ho ne de ohun ne se wanye ne yi. Nanso agreement bi eni wetre se o de asase ne manipa kro ne se wonko enkotu galamse. Ba oni nipa kro ne kan. Ani nipa kro ne ka se wonko nunko dua kube. Ose at no point did I agree with Mr. Okum that he could mine on the unmined portions of A3's concession. I did not authorize, permit, sanction, or in any manner approve any mining activities by Mr. Okum or any person acting under his direction on A3's concession. The allegation that I agreed to allow Mr. Okum to mine on the unmined portions of the concession is false and is denied in its entirety. Regarding the allegation that I introduced Mr. Okum to an excavator seller and made an initial part payment for excavators, I wish to clarify the following. I did assist Mr. Okum in identifying a contact who could supply equipment. However, this assistance was rendered in the context of the reclamation exercise. It's in Ipakrona or say Chema Wontumi man as I say won't galamse no. Or Tremwa, Chema Wontumi sanso man no obi a woton excavators kra say. Won kwaji excavators on Ipakrona ho. No famra me ye adwuma no. Chema Wontumi say indeed. Or tre Mr. Okum no obi a woton excavators. But eno no. Enye se won fama me tu galamse. But what tre na say won famra. Embra me do. Won fama me dua kube. Or see, as land reclamation activities may require the use of heavy equipment for earth moving and land preparation, I did not procure or supply excavators for the purpose of mining operations. Any equipment I assisted Mr. Okum in acquiring was intended for and represented to me as being for the reclamation exercise. I was not present at A3's concession during the police operation conducted on 16th and 17th April 2025. I had no knowledge of the scale of activities being conducted on the concession by Mr. Okum and his employees at the time of the police operation. Had I known that Mr. Okum was conducting mining operations on the concession in excess of and contrary to the reclamation mandate I had given him, I would have immediately revoked his permission and reported the matter to the appropriate authorities. To see one no nim or the assassin ba papa ni wie wan kwan go hwe assassin so. Inti no nim se nipa kro no or the assassin tu galamse. Akono Chema Wontumi onim pa ko be report papa ne say assassin man fa ma se kokotu galamse me de ma se kodua kube. Ti Chema Wontumi se wanti. Yeah, so Chema Wontumi is telling us anyway a court over the day. Chema Wontumi is telling us say or the assassin mo bi se nipa ko ni ndua kube. Ono Chema Wontumi no nipa ko na kwa ko yusu assassin di tu galamse obi amfre Chema Wontumi ambo na mane se assassin odi ama asumesi odi tu galamse o se wante onim da until say police asembe mu Chema Wontumi se wankwa assassin su biom ono assassin odi ama obi o na me ti hei me ti hei me nana me ti hei me nana e wa asase e wo ye krum a wo de asase ni jaye me nana wo wa asase wo ye krum wo de asase ni jaye asase ni meni hunda me nko asase ni so da me nim anything about asase no na so bibi bia ekoso wa asase ne so no me nim ye bom yamane me nkwa asase ne so da o me nim asase no me nim hwe wa asase ne so me o treme say asase na me na asase aye ka ho asem eni a me nim bananse ya wo bi ko say wo si bibi wa asase ne so ye frame ebo amane say una na asase ne na wo bi ye ba be si we wo so no oh mo asase na ye si we wo so no obi ba beto war obi the block e be si asase ne so kra. This is not the first time obi the block e ba beto asase ne so kra ye frebo amane ba chema Wontumi say wono the asase am obi se nipa ko ndi akube owie we yinini nipa ko ne the asase ni tu galamsi obi ambo na mane onim ho he wante da asemba yan so be hu say ndi asase am de ma de odi yeni. That's interesting, and it's up to the court to speak on it. What you say? It's up to the court. But that's quite interesting. Chairman Wontumi nsensem no any ne witness statement. So what the court said, and they say 28 May, say Chairman Wontumi e more witnesses are one for momra. Na say ne witness ashorty oni obi a obetumi aboa na kana asem bioma. Judge na ready so be deliver judgment. That's what the judge told Chairman Wontumi. Nti say ni asem na ekone de. Say Chairman Wontumi amfa witness biom amba. Judge no Ebemani ruling. This should be interesting. Say judge ni ruling no eko in favor of Abaina. And here Chairman Wontumi 28th May. Okoko piemu ewo eye quarter. One heni ya eho na prison streets. Montre mwa your comment box ni momedasi. Ebusianfo book na eda screen is on your friend the Ghanaian investor. This is your most practical guide. Ebetro senior obe investi ewo Ghana. Now a lot of people don't know, but you will be your friend of the Ghana Stock Exchange. Now Ghana Stock Exchange, who investi ewo Ghana Stock Exchange more. What it simply means, and it's a udi usika investi in some companies be a listed ewo Ghana. Companies be to say a year Ghana Commercial Bank, companies be to say MTN. Into the best investments any Ghanaian can ever do. Investing in a Ghana Stock Exchange, because on average Ghana Stock Exchange a return revenue and a ROI of 25%. What it simply means is that every single year biano when you crano na 25% if you invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange. This book is going to go take you through how to invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange, how to invest in a Nyamabia a friend mutual funds. Now aside this there are 3 other investment firms be a Ghana hands on so a secret and crowdfunding. If you purchase this book, you are going to get to know of those secrets or those investments, and then it's going to change your life forever. Get this book, The Ghanaian Investor. So open book maybe out a very simple number na that book ne so 055-807-4986. Obe to me a fresh number no. Ofra ye be sort out with the book. Obe to me so our WhatsApp number no. So one person obe free and I say one person obe WhatsApp ya. Very simple. On your screen, video now wo hwe sisi ano obe hu baby ya draw view products. Obe to me a click so a obe hu say books ni na ebeba. Na wa click book no version ni twi video wo ho. Ni PDF ewo ho, ni English video enso wo ho. Twi video no eye for wo mo a eye na akenkan eye omoden. Omo ana wo Wontumi kenkan brofo. Ni English video enso wo ho. Akenkan ye oden na nso pe brofo a English video wo ho. PDF enso obi a wo hwe a wo pese wo kan wo phone so na trese bibia eco smooth no. Also there any the PDF. So that is also another way you can get the book. So what me now you Ghana ni now our brochure. You can just go on Amazon. Now I search a book no the title. That screen is no the Ghanaian Investor. Into search for book ne title Ghanaian Investor. We say beba na wa purchase na say ya ship e dia bro e wa brochure ho. And now say video na wo hwe sisi ano ye will be a friend the description box e wo YouTube. Into na say obe click more. O click more obe call description box ni mu. Into call description box ni mu a obe hu say a book no ne links ewa ha wati ase o pese o use mobile money a eno ane se wa click sa link na ya tro get my book here. For mobile money, get the ebook here. Now I click so now on Saka. Get the hard copy. Now I click so now on Saka. Very, 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 very simple. These are the ways we to me use enya book we. Yento book we ni yenhu senya ye to me invest. Ghana's economy is booming. I personally believe that the next set of billionaires and millionaires, they will be coming from the Ghana Stock Exchange. And so take advantage of this. Learn how to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange amidst any other and all other investments and also what Ghana for.